Hey guys, so how you can skip cutscenes in God of War Ragnarok? So you want to go to settings, gameplay, playstyle, and skip cinematic toggle on, and then what you have to just do, and you're just gonna hold X and you will skip scenes, or it's only accessible after NG plus. So yeah.